Today we're at Bridal Veil Falls. Now you say it, Demery.
We're at Bridal Veil Falls.
So the hike to Bridal Veil Falls is super short and it's super flat. You can see behind me, it's paved the whole way. Families kind of come here and hang out all day long. They'll do barbecues. It's just a nice shady area to hang out. So this hike is more like a Sunday stroll. And today that's literally what it is, a Sunday stroll. Just walking along, enjoying our time, sitting on some trees. Huh, Demery?
Yeah.
Is this nice and relaxing?
Yeah, but it's the longest hike ever.
It is not a long hike.
Yes, it is.
We've been hiking for like 5 minutes.
We're almost there.
What are we gonna see?
A waterfall. All the way up. Huh.
Yeah. Hi, Mom. Should we climb up the waterfall?
Yes, we're gonna climb all the way up.
Okay, let's go. As you can see, you can hike all the way up this till you get up there. All right, I'm at the base of Bridal Veil Falls. I'm gonna try to make it to the top in 3 minutes. Not the top of the waterfall, just where the waterfall hits. Here we go. Okay, my legs are starting to burn a little bit, but we're almost there. That's where we came from. We're getting there. Good. How cool it is behind me. Super beautiful up here. All right, we're almost there. Finish it off here. And we're there. Whew. Yeah, I'm breathing a little heavy.